The Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Act 2023 marks a pivotal moment in Pakistan's legal history. This landmark legislation aims to enhance the Supreme Court's functioning, ensuring greater transparency and accountability. The Act introduces significant changes to key aspects of the Court's operations. These include the formation of benches, the exercise of suo motu jurisdiction, and the provision for appeals against suo motu decisions. By addressing these critical areas, the Act seeks to bolster public confidence in the judicial system. The Act reflects a commitment to strengthening the rule of law and ensuring equal access to justice for all citizens. It recognizes the need for a more robust and transparent judicial process. Through its provisions, the Act aims to create a more balanced and accountable Supreme Court. This in turn will contribute to a fairer and more just society for all Pakistanis. A cornerstone of the 2023 Act is its focus on ensuring impartiality in the formation of benches. The Act introduces a transparent mechanism for the constitution of benches hearing specific cases. Central to this new system is a 3-member committee comprising senior Supreme Court judges. This committee plays a pivotal role in determining the composition of benches for suo motu cases. The inclusion of this committee adds a vital layer of scrutiny and objectivity to the bench formation process. This ensures that cases are heard by benches that are balanced and impartial. By taking this step, the Act aims to minimize any potential for bias in the selection of judges for sensitive cases. This new system fosters greater trust in the judiciary's commitment to fairness and impartiality. The Act brings significant changes to the Supreme Court's exercise of suo motu jurisdiction. Suo motu refers to the Court's power to take up cases on its own initiative without a formal complaint being filed. While this power is essential for addressing urgent matters of public importance, its application has at times drawn criticism. The 2023 Act seeks to address these concerns by introducing a more measured approach to suo motu jurisdiction. One of the key changes is the requirement for approval from a larger bench before the Supreme Court can initiate suo motu proceedings. This means that decisions to take up cases suo motu will no longer rest solely with the Chief Justice. Instead, a larger bench of judges will scrutinize potential suo motu cases to determine their merit and urgency. This more rigorous process ensures that the Court's suo motu powers are exercised judiciously and responsibly. Sees Section 4 empowering the people the right to appeal. In a move that significantly enhances access to justice, the 2023 Act introduces a right to appeal against suo motu decisions. This provision is particularly significant as it provides a mechanism for individuals and parties aggrieved by a suo motu decision to seek its review. The Act outlines a clear procedure for filing appeals against such decisions. This newly established right of appeal is a crucial safeguard against any potential misuse of suo motu powers. It ensures that all parties involved in suo motu cases have an avenue for redress. This provision reflects the Act's commitment to upholding the principles of natural justice and due process. Section 5. Strengthening the Foundation's transparency, accountability, and public trust. At its core, the Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Act 2023 is about strengthening the foundations of Pakistan's judicial system. The Act's provisions are designed to enhance transparency, promote accountability, and bolster public trust in the judiciary. By addressing key concerns related to bench formation, suo motu jurisdiction, and the right to appeal, The Act paves the way for a more robust and equitable justice system. The Act's emphasis on transparency is evident in its provisions for open and accessible court proceedings. Additionally, the Act's focus on accountability is clear in its mechanisms for scrutinizing judicial decisions. By embracing these principles, the Act aims to create a judicial system that is not only fair, but also seen to be fair. This renewed focus on transparency and accountability is crucial for strengthening public confidence in the rule of law and ensuring access to justice for all.